to take your whole car out of here.
No, legit.
Damn! I got it on camera. Damn. Crazy, bro. What it do? Ooh, yeah, back to shit. Now, what it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day. Before we go any further into this video, I need you guys to make sure you guys click the notification bell, and also please click the thumbs up. So the more thumbs I get up, you guys been doing a good job of my previous videos. The more thumbs I get up, the more people will find my video, and I need you guys' help because we about to do the biggest takeover in 2024, and I'm about to have the best cars on YouTube, and I'm about to have the greatest GR86 on YouTube, straight the hell up, already top of dog. But we about to go crazy with it, and we about to take over YouTube. So I definitely need you guys to make sure you guys show some love. Click the hearts, click the like, click whatever you see on there. I need all your help. But anyways, today we're on our way to a car meet. Me and my little brother, got the homie Nick, and it's Golf GTI. We're on our way right now to an Origins meet out here. So, you know, we got to go to Origins meet. It's a Super Bowl day. So we're about to go to Origins meet, have a good time there. About to get a lot of content for you guys. Definitely haven't been to car meets and stuff like that in so long. And I went to the last one like 2 nights ago. So had a great time, but I definitely want you guys to enjoy this. We are going crazy, like I said, with the build. It's about to go fucking ape shit, crazy, nuts, bananas, and I'm just enjoying it. So we're gonna get some good footage. Once I get to the once I get a little closer to the car meet, I do got my GoPro set up so you guys can see us driving inside and stuff, so you guys get a bird's eye view from the POV to see everybody looking at me, taking pictures and pointing at my car. That's what always happens every time I go to the car meet. So, but anyways, we're gonna have a great time. Hope you guys enjoy. We're about to go crazy, man. We've been going crazy. The views are going up, the likes going up, the engagement. So I definitely appreciate all my Rich Gang subscribers. And then basically, if you subscribe to my channel, you're part of the Rich Gang straight up. So if you liking my stuff, I definitely appreciate it. It means the world to me. And thank you guys so much for all the love and support. And let's have a good video. And I'm gonna try my best to do a 40-minute video. I'm gonna do 40-minute videos for now. I'm gonna aim for it. It's kind of hard because I really don't do too much, but we're gonna go for that 40-minute video. So I'm gonna try my best to do it. So sometimes I'm just gonna let shit roll while editing. Shout out to TCJ32s. But anyways, let's go enjoy this day, and let's do it.
That's what I want. That's not shit hard. Look at the red interior.
GT and Shelby. Hopefully we see some dope shit. I think we might see some nice stuff here. I'm trying to find some shit. I'm literally gonna try to walk every fucking aisle possible.
I think that's a mighty killer video.
Yeah, listen. Let's see what they got. A Widebody kit. Got the nice little colors. Let's see, they got it's hella cars, man. There's so many fucking people. God damn, let's see. I ain't gonna, let's see. Yeah, it's hard. Jeez. So many cars, y'all. The homie Zach car right here. Shit's crazy. Oh, shit. Oh! What's up, bro? How you doing, man?
Good. How are you?
Good, brother.
I'm glad you showed up.
Man, I appreciate it, bro.
You too.
I appreciate you though.
Oh,
Cause
anytime. Do you talk with him and everything?
yeah, so he
Hey,
told me
what's
we're gonna do it at 10 a.m. on
10
Thursday.
a.m. Hell yeah.
Bro.
Just the main ones or the Starlight too?
I'm just doing
Main
the
stuff?
main one first.
Dope. How much do they charge you?
Look at this shit right here. Super nasty. Woo. This shit is packed. We got everybody here. The homie. Hey, the homies right here. You feel me? But yeah, it's super fucking packed. I haven't been recording too much. That Rari's looking clean though. I ain't gonna lie. The Gallardo. Let's go over here though. They got some shit. This is clean though.
You know, like the.
It is super packed, y'all. This is crazy. Shit. Oh damn! I didn't even know this is an RCF right here.
Yeah. Yeah, this one.
Bro, I love how they do their exhaust from factory.
You got the TVs with the DVS.
Yeah, that's nice. I like this one. But I love their I love how they got that kit I can do for my car, but I don't want to take my exhaust off because
What kit?
how the RCF is like
exhaust.
that. Yeah.
The quad exhaust?
Yep. Damn. Okay, Brembos. That shit nasty. I love the RCFs. That's crazy. Sheesh. And this blue go crazy. Let's see what else they got here. Corvette go crazy.
Bro, I see that you
Let's see. Damn.
That's the friend that I wanted.
That's crazy.
Full carbon front, dude. Crazy.
Oh yeah, that's dope.
No, I know. I follow her. She got like the fucking glass. I just recorded her. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we did come out. No wonder I was like, wait a minute, did I see the same car?
I recorded her.
That makes sense.
Probably one of the cleanest ones I've seen so far. It's hella clean, bro.
I didn't. This shit's hard. That blue one's so nice right there with the wing. And that blue is crazy.